Vintage Outboard Motor fans, this is T-Mike making another video today. Today's video is going to be a unique video. I've got a customer named Harvey. I've been working on his motor for a couple of months now. It's Restore number 153. It's a 1941 Evinrude 3.3 horsepower. It's for Harvey. It's the Bubba motor. The Bubba motor. I've had a power head problem with it. Had to replace the power head. I've had several issues on getting parts. Finally got her outside, got her running, thinking all things could be good, be able to take her for a ride, and the spring broke on the rewind starter. Common problem. Spring broke. So this video is going to be a T-Mike trick on how to repair a rewind starter spring without having to replace it. How to repair it, all right? And it's going to involve some fire, pair of needle nose, and a little T-Mike trick I'm going to show you while I'm doing it, all right? So if everybody's ready, here we go. So if you look at the spring, there's the center part of the spring, rewind. Here's the broken piece. See the broken end right there? It's supposed to be right here. That piece is supposed to come up to right here. I'm gonna pull this piece out. I'll pull that piece out. That's the loop. That spring has made to loop, and then they put a rivet through it to hold it. So I'm going to try to set this spring up in a vise. I'm going to pull it out, tie wrap it with a tie wrap to try to keep it about the same, and take this end here, put it up in my vise, and heat it up and form it up to make that loop to be able to put it back in. It's going to be tricky, but I think I can get it done. If everybody's ready, let's get started. Here we go. Okay, so I got a tie wrap. I'm going to pull the spring out. Try to tighten it up some. Put me a tie wrap. Alright, then I'm going to set it. Clean it up so it doesn't catch fire. I'm going to set it in my vise and start working on it. We need the loop to go outwards this way. When I put it in my vise, it needs to go this way. So if everybody's ready, let's get started on that right now. I'm set up now. I got my spring inside the vise, and I want to make that loop coming back this way. All right. I got my propane torch, got my lighter, got my pliers I want to work with, and I got me some fire spray in case something happens right here. I can put out the fire. Alright, here we go. I'm going to get me some heat going. Bring that down a little bit. It got me a nice little heat here. Doing pretty good. I'm going to compare it to this. Turn off my fire. I'll bring you in for a close look. Those two ends look pretty good. Look pretty good. Try to see if it fits inside. Back inside the rewind starter. It'd be a neat trick if it does. All right, let's see if I can get her in. Hey, got her in. I'm gonna cut my tire wrap. Yes, sir. See the end right here, wrapped around? It's all good. It's all good. I'll put my spring back together, see if she works. Okay, I gotta match this pin right here. Has got to go right in this pin. Okay, I finally got it back together. Those rewind springs are hard to put together. Got her back together, and the bubble motor spring has been fixed. T-Mike trick, a little heat, a pair of pliers, take your time, make the little hook, put it back together. Broken springs, when they break, that close to the ends can be repaired. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. So as I'm sitting here working on my vintage outboard motors, I started thinking about the old proverb known as paying it forward. So paying it forward means that if you've ever been mentored by someone, either a teacher, a coach, your parents, some associate at work has ever taught you skills, you reach a certain point in your life where you want to pass those skills on to somebody else. And that's where I'm at right now. If I can just help one person restore their grandfather's motor, and I've helped several, if I can just get that one person to restore that legacy motor, my mission has been a success. So that's a good thought to have. And also, always remember and never forget, here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time.